Let's go talk with the contractor about build out. Can you imagine a 3-bay store, only a $3,000 budget? Subscribe to this channel if you want to see a new coffee shop owner build a coffee shop from zero with no knowledge of coffee, construction, or this style of business. It's open. Gate number 4. Nah. The next question is, where should we put the coffee stand? Here is the space, right here, all the way around. Should it be here, along the wall? Should it be in the back and you'd have to come all the way in? Should it be right here in the middle? And I'm gonna try to decide if I'm gonna do it myself, if he's gonna do it, or if we're gonna do it together. And based on the price that we get. You do? He said we should do this wall in brick. I thought we'd do the smallest wall in brick because brick is going to be the most expensive material. But he said with windows, it's not as easy. So he recommended do the longest wall in brick. And
what about material we're going to bring off? Then
we can check 2 other places also, try to find a good deal. You remember that one house over there? Maybe they want us to take it down. We're doing this build out on a pretty low budget, so we need to probably come up with our first rendition that's gonna flow easy, get some clients through the door, and not cost an arm and a leg. We can always adapt the build out or build on more later. Can he give us the price with and without air? Ask him about table and chair. How many to start, you think?
today he come just measure, and he gonna decide everything and send us later.
This is one interesting thing we have to contend with is the monsoon season going on right now. But I think it would be pretty cool to have a nice little area right there while it's raining, because people can come in from their motorbikes and get some shelter, have a nice coffee, and you got a good breeze. If we don't have the money for the aircon inside, maybe we should spend more money out here in this area on the field, because it's beautiful here. We have water. Everybody gonna come to sit out here if they're gonna have coffee, right? We definitely need to put some flooring down because it have some hole here somewhere. Yeah. So
He said if we use wood over here, it's gonna cost a lot. But if we gonna use like this,
yes,
just change this and use fake grass.
Grass?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's gonna be better.
Okay. Because we need to keep the price down, we're gonna have him give us the base for all 3 areas, and we're just going to take a look at that and decide, do we need to reduce something, or if it's a really good price, maybe we can add. And right now I'm still kind of calculating what we should do with this space, where the coffee bar should go, what color palette we should use. If you have some suggestions, again, leave them in the comments, because this is all brand new to me. Remember, we're on a $3,000 budget. Send this to somebody else who loves coffee or wanted to open a coffee shop. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.